on the way to see a celebrity chef who has commissioned us to design their restaurant in Chingford. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to share it yet, so I'm not going to share it yet. So you'll have to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel or some of our socials to find out who it is. But I'm so excited about this. Quite often when I design a restaurant, I'll just choose and take samples to a client. This is the mood board, and they might switch out one or two things. This one's a bit different. This lady knows what she wants. She's amazing. She's a very talented chef. She's very creative, and she's given me a really good idea of what she wants, but she doesn't really know how to put it together. So I've ordered a load of samples. I've picked out a whole load of stuff from our library, and I've got it in the back of my car, and I'm going to show her today, lay out everything on the dining room floor, and I'm going to hopefully get her to make some decisions about what she wants. So super excited. I love a mood board, so this is going to be a lot of fun, and I'll keep you posted.